Have you considered amplifying your earnings with a rewards credit card? Imagine getting more value every time you spend. If not, you're about to discover a hidden gem. But first, a quick question. How many of you prioritize rewards when choosing a credit card? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to stick around to the end for another intriguing question. First thing first, let's talk about CBC Federal Credit Union. You may have not heard about this credit union, but don't worry, I'm bringing you guys the hottest new credit unions that no one is talking about, so you can get the exclusive and hot gems on this credit union before anyone else. Now, CBC Federal Credit Union, let's dive right into these data points, okay? I'm not here to waste your time. Let's dive right into them. They pull directly from the Experian Credit Bureau. But here's the kicker. Your doors are open to everyone, regardless of where you live. That's right. No geographical restrictions. Okay? Open to everyone. Anyone can join. You can join, you can join, you can join. Yes. This is the Oprah Credit Union. I like that. It's kind of unique, Oprah Credit Union. You get a membership. You get a membership. You get a membership. You know, it's open to everyone. Now let's dive deeper into CBC Federal Credit Union Epic Rewards Visa Credit Card. This isn't just any credit card. It's a powerhouse for those who spend on gas and travel. Imagine getting back 5% back on those categories and 3% on groceries, capped at a generous $6,000 yearly. Yes, this is a high percentage for getting cashback rewards on just spending what you normally do. Normal credit cards only offer 1.5%. This is 5%. And you can earn up to $6,000 yearly when getting cashback on your rewards. So that's the beauty of it. And the beauty of it, they calculate rewards yearly, which means no monthly or quarterly tracking hassle. But wait, there's more. They often have a seasonal promotion that caters to various spending habits. For instance, during the holiday seasons, which is coming up, they've been known to offer enhanced cashback on gift purchases, dining, and entertainment. It's like getting rewarded for enjoying the festivities. So always keep an eye out on the latest offers to maximize your rewards to get up to that $6,000 max. So if you're considering joining this credit union family, after all what I just mentioned, here's the breakdown. For membership, they do a soft pull with Experian and a hard pull with check systems. Yes, a hard pull with check systems. So make sure your check system report is good. So it's crucial to ensure your financial reports are spotless, okay? And a pro tip for our viewers, they're known to offer high credit limits. The reason why I'm actually giving you guys this information. I love credit unions with high credit unions that are open to everyone. This is a win-win for everybody. However, given their boutique size of locations, they only offer 4 locations in sunny Southern California. So processing may take a tad longer than the big players like Navy Federal, okay, or PenFed. This is a small location, only have 4. So I wanted to let you guys know that this, even though it's open to everyone and they offer high limits, don't expect, you know, an instant approval or an instant decision when applying for this credit union. So you want to sprinkle a little patience with this credit union. So for those who love comparisons, this card is actually in the same league as the Citi Custom Cash credit card, where you'll find very similar things about them. Both cards prioritize rewarding their users for everyday spending. Also, the CBC Federal Credit Union Epic Rewards card stands out with its yearly rewards cap of $6,000. Also, it's ensuring you that you'll get up to $300 back. So if you're getting someone who's strategic about where and how you spend, this card could be a game changer for you. It's like having the best of both worlds in one card. But the CBC Federal Credit Union doesn't stop there. They also flaunt a Platinum Visa credit card, boasting at a 0% introductory APR for the first 6 months. And the perks that they have is that they also offer auto rental collision damage waiver, top tier ID theft protection, and a robust Falcon fraud detection system. So to wrap things up, the CBC Federal Credit Union Epic Rewards Visa is a stellar choice for those that are eyeing fantastic rewards, especially on gas and travel. So if you're going back and forth to work, you might want to get this card, because if you're spending money on gas every day and traveling, you can earn up to $6,000 just by buying gas. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So if you're gearing up to apply, ensure you have your essentials. You need to be a U.S. resident. You need to have age proof of being 18 years or older, a social security number, and a government issued ID. Now, surprisingly, no one is talking about this credit union. No one, but me. Make sure you subscribe. This credit union isn't making the rounds in most discussions at all. And now, as I tirelessly dig deeper to uncover these hidden gems for you, so that you can actually go get approved for high limits and change your life and change your credit, it's clear that you're getting an exclusive insight right here. So I hope this is worth it. And I'm pretty sure it's going to grow very popular. So there's a chance that this credit union might soon adjust its services or membership requirements. We all know that it's been a trend here on YouTube where a lot of us discover and observe credit unions that offer these nice features and these high limits, and it's open to everyone, where they tighten down on these things. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if you're thinking about joining, because now might be the right time to dive in. All right, credit cousins, that's our deep dive into the CBC Federal Credit Union and the standout credit offerings. The links will be down in the description below to learn more about this credit union. If this video added value to your financial journey, show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing. Remember, we're racing towards 100,000 subscribers, and every click and like counts. Now, if you're feeling extra generous, drop a fire emoji down in the comment section. It's a small gesture that goes a long way with the YouTube algorithm. Now, for our outro teaser, which financial topic or card should we tackle next? I know a lot of you have credit cards in mind that you just need data points on. So let me know what you want to talk about next. Your wish is my command. Drop your suggestions and let's get this conversation going down in the comment section with everyone. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.